to Whispers. Before call, tí ọba kì í ṣe bí èèyàn lọ́pọlọ. Before call, can you just imagine? So you're just coming to the realization. You're just waking up to the reality that Operation Safe Corridor isn't working. Repentant Boko Haram members returned to the group after spying on communities during reintegration. Baba Ghana Zulum. Welcome to everybody's nightmarish reality. Governor Baba Ghana Zulum has raised an alarm of the federal government's Operation Safe Corridor program aimed at radicalizing and reintegrating repentant members into the society, not working as expected. Of course, what do you expect? Where did they come up with all this big grammar? De-radicalizing, reintegrating. Nibo, like seriously? It's good, Disha. It's good that it's good that they're feeling it. It's good that way. The Borno State Governor, who spoke at the Northeast Governors Forum meeting in Bauchi, alleged that some of the repentant terrorists who passed through the Operation Safe Corridor program rejoined the terror group after carefully studying the various security arrangements in their host communities during the reintegration process. Of course, I mean, what do you expect? This is getting more interesting now. He said, and I quote, "Another aspect of the war against insurgency that needs to be urgently reviewed or modified is the issue of de-radicalization of Boko Haram terrorists who have been captured or have willingly surrendered themselves to the authorities. It has been confirmed that the concept of de-radicalization, it can only be in a or safe corridors not working as expected. Quite often, those who pass through the Safe Corridor Initiative or have been de-radicalized. Why are you deceiving yourself? Really? De-radicalized? Like seriously? Oh my God. Usually go back and rejoin the terror group after carefully studying the various security arrangements in their host communities during the reintegration process. In addition, the host communities where the reintegration process is going on usually resent the presence of Boko Haram terrorists, even if they have been de-radicalized because of the despicable and atrocious activities they have committed in the past. Of course. I mean, they've killed some people, they've raped some people, they've maimed some people, they've turned some people I don't know, and we expect people to welcome them. And were they expecting them to be welcomed with fanfare, with drums and singing? I mean, what? It can only be in Nigeria. So the idea of the radicalization as currently being implemented needs to be reviewed because the main goals and the underlying objectives behind the initiative are not being achieved. Zulum noted that only those who were forcefully recruited should undergo the radicalization, faulted the delay in the persecution of insurgents. He added, "On the persecution of terrorists, we must make effort to avoid the current encumbrance and intricacies associated with the process, which usually takes considerable time, by urging the appropriate federal authorities to devolve the powers of the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation to State Attorney General in order to facilitate the process. These are people that they should have kaput. Kill menuma more radiakuru and one came when gamo. That is why there's rewards and consequences. You reward good behavior, and for bad behavior there should be consequences. These are adults. Even little children knows that if your child is doing something bad and you don't let them know that there are consequences and let them face the consequences for it, that child is going to be bold. And on the other hand, if your child is doing well and you're praising them and you're rewarding them, you get more of such desirable results. How much more adults? All these people are able-bodied men. They are adults. And you're pampering them. That emboldens them because they know there's no consequences. Nigeria is the only country where terrorists are pampered. What was that English again? Deradicalization and what? Reintegration. Who are you? Can you even deradicalize them? Are they even supposed to be reintegrated into the society? Because if there's anywhere else that belong, they truly belong in 6 feet or jail or something, so that they will serve as examples and deterrent to others. But when you bring them, you do paparazzi for them, you give them red carpet welcome, you are giving them money, you are giving them cars, you're rewarding them. So what? And you're complaining that banditry and kidnapping and what have you is becoming a lucrative business? Why not if not? And I wonder what sort of examples you lay for the younger ones. The monster you create will come and hunt you. It will hunt you down. One day, bushmeat will catch the hunter. It will surely catch the hunter. That I know. Because what goes round comes round. These monsters that you've created, you're living with it. So there you have it. Operation Safe Corridor is not working, as if we didn't know. Not today. Story for the gods. Until I come your way again. Zulum, Beletio, bye.